when you have a FLO error code and your pumps don't turn on. Even when you hit the jet button, jets don't come on. I don't hear any clicking from the board. Turn the power off to the tub. Test all your fuses on your circuit board. Both fuses were good. Could still be the pump, so you gotta test the pump. Could be the capacitor, you can test the capacitor. I didn't bother testing the pump too much because I was hearing this weird click from the relay. And that usually indicates a bad board. And when I turned the power back on, the top side was doing totally weird stuff. Another sign that there's an issue with the board.